she just shut me out. I never knew why. I'm just trying to protect you. You don't have to protect me. I'm not afraid.
Sadness swirls within me like the snow. I've frozen out the only friend I'll ever know. There's no way I can win, but I wish that I had been there for her long ago. Life's too short to be such an oblivious fool, so reckless that I couldn't see. Life's too short to be so desperate to be loved that I only ever thought of me. I wish I saw things clearly. I guess I'm just not the sort. Now all I know is life's too short.